friends. My name is Miss Adrian. Welcome to Storytime at my house. Little Bear and I always like it when we can go outside to play or to go for a walk. But sometimes it's just a little too cold or rainy to play outside. Do you see this big dark rain cloud on the flannel board? Looks like it's going to rain, doesn't it? Here come the raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little raindrops, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little raindrops, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little raindrops, 10 little raindrops falling down. You know, with all that rain, I wish I had an umbrella. Let's pretend. You can make your own umbrella. Put your hands up over your head. Come under my umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Come under my umbrella. It's starting to rain with thunder and lightning and thunder and lightning. Come under my umbrella. It's starting to rain. Did you put your umbrella up over your head like that? Let's do that one more time, and you can also make thunder and lightning. Come under my umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Come under my umbrella. It's starting to rain with thunder and lightning and thunder and lightning. Come under my umbrella. It's starting to rain. I would like it if the rain would stop. Let's start taking those raindrops off the board. Take off this one. We have 9 little, 8 little, 7 little raindrops, 6 little, 5 little, 4 little raindrops, 3 little, 2 little, 1 little raindrop. No more raindrops. Here comes the sun. Oh, a sunny day. Now, you remember when we had our hands up over our heads like an umbrella? This time let's do the same thing, but we'll pretend it's the sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. What is your favorite kind of weather? Sunny or cloudy? Chilly or hot? What is it like today? Did you check? Did you look outside? You know what? I think Little Bear and I will go. We'll check out the window, see if it's sunny or if it's cloudy, if it's nice enough to go play outside or to go for a walk. If not, we'll stay inside and we'll read some more books. Well, we hope to see you soon at the Westmont Library. Until then, remember, be kind to each other. Goodbye, friends.